So, hello and welcome to my presentation about ready-made solutions with a machine vision one-stop shop. My name is Patrick Schick. I'm product marketing manager at IDS. And before we dive into this topic, I would like to introduce ourselves briefly. As IDS is one of the world's leading manufacturers of digital industry cameras based in southern Germany. We're creating components for industrial image processing since 1997, and all products still today are developed, programmed, and produced, tested, and shipped worldwide entirely in-house. So here from south of Germany in Obersulm, on our campus, we have all the disciplines we need together. As you may see on the slides, our portfolio ranges from classical 2D cameras to 3D active stereo vision cameras and cameras with integrated AI-based image processing, our IDS NXT series. So, but I wouldn't stand here if this would be everything. As we will see today, IDS offers much more than only machine vision components. At first, I would like to define the term one-stop shop. And it's not defined by IDS or myself. I would like to use the definition you can find in Wikipedia. There is the term one-stop shop, I have to read this, describes a business model offering customers the convenience of having multiple needs met in one location instead of having to drive all over the town. So, and this is also the goal we follow here at IDS, that we can offer you as a customer every ingredient you need for your machine vision solution in one point. Let's do a real life example. For example, preparing a dinner. There are a lot of different approaches how to do this. Mine is normally, I get an idea what to cook, and then I go to buy my ingredients for the dinner. So I have a grocery store where I normally went to, and there I get my noodles, my salt, my pepper, everything I need to cook for a meal, for dinner, but in different flavors. One of the peppers I like more than another, so I can adapt my meal to my personal taste. I do not get a ready-to-eat meal, but I get all the necessary ingredients to prepare the meal. By the way, sometimes I get a ready-to-eat meal, but at least I have to heat it up and prepare it at home. So let's bring this into the machine vision world. So you go to your favorite machine vision store, you have an idea what you want to solve, what is your machine vision application. You go to the IDS store and you try to buy the ingredients for your machine vision solution. And as usual, we are a camera manufacturer in the first point. Most often this starts with a camera. And here it is similar as when you buy ingredients for dinner. You would like to have a special flavor of camera which you like best. So it's not only the decision, do I need a 2D, a 3D camera, or an edge device like IDS NXT. We also have different flavors of camera. So maybe you have a specific application where you need a ruggedized camera. So where really water or fluid is spilling around, it's dusty and dirty, you would like to take a ruggedized one. Or a board level camera because you have less space and you would like to integrate it in another machine or in a handheld device, you need a board level version. On the other hand, as you see on the slides, and we have a whole bunch of stock cameras, but sometimes there is a customized solution necessary to solve your application. So again, here, besides our standard cameras, we offer a lot of customized solution. So to put your flavor into the camera. It may be with or without your own brand, for example. This may be one of the easiest customization. For sure, different lens options from no mount over S mount to C mount, or maybe could it be something special for your camera? We're working together with a lot of partners and suppliers where we can also, in the area of a customized solution, solve such kind of issues. Or for sure, did you need USB, Ethernet, up to 10 G speed? It's available and you can choose your flavor. We have USB cameras, housed, unhoused, board level with different mounts. Similar to the Ethernet camera, you can get it in all variations and also in customized solutions. And for sure, cameras are not everything. You need accessories to it. A camera without a lens, without a cable, does not work. Maybe for your lab situation, you need tripod mounts, you need plug-in cards for your PC. Besides cameras, we offer all those accessories together with our products. And it's not only that you can buy a cable at IDS. The accessories we have in our store are qualified and tested together with our cameras. So they are quality proofed, and we can ensure that our applications and the specification we give work together. And also here we try to balance and offer a broad range of varieties according to your needs. For example, if you need a more high-end or more budget-friendly solutions, both will be available. But what the same for all accessories is, doesn't matter if budget-friendly or high-end, all our accessories are qualified and tested to work optimal for your application, for the things you need. Okay, we have a first glance on the hardware side, but hardware alone is not all. As we all know, hardware needs software. We need a camera to let it run. And this starts with the driver, which talks to the camera and does not end with machine vision software. So therefore, for our UI camera portfolio, we offer a powerful SDK, a powerful software package, which covers from the machine vision standard GennyCam up to convenient functions, all the needs you have. So for example, you can use a still existing GennyCam software application you developed before. You can take an IDS camera, connect to it, and the camera will work. But I think a lot of people also not familiar with GennyCam. But with our cameras, this is not an issue because we also provide convenient API, which all the functions or the GennyCam functions are hidden behind a layer, so that the commands and methods you have to implement are really reduces the amount to write code on your side significantly. And additional, for simple tasks, we add an image processing library for basic image processing tasks like rotating images or storing, saving images. So nothing you have to implement by your own. It's all included into the driver. Up to our cockpit, our IDS P cockpit, for example, which lets you set up a camera and still you can use it for simple applications like incoming goods control in your warehouse or something like this. Additionally, we also distributor for the MVTech products Mörlik and Helken, and therefore we have a high knowledge here in the house to support you by developing your Mörlik or Helken application. And we get a step further. We do not offer only a camera and a driver to it. With our IDS NXT system, we offer a complete environment, a complete ecosystem, which is not only a driver package with additional software. With IDS NXT, we offer a set which enables you to start with AI right out of the box without real prior AI knowledge. From the camera to grab images over a cloud-based training platform up to the same camera you grab the image, which is able to let neural networks run on an edge device. Everything is included in, for example, our IDS NXT Ocean Creative Kit. And you can, as told, start right out of the box. If you are interested in more, tomorrow, Heiko Seitz, my colleague, is talking about customize your AI vision without programming. Join his session and get more information about IDS NXT and its possibilities. Okay, now we had a whole bunch of camera accessories, software packages. So at least you can buy the ingredients for your complete machine vision application at the IDS store. But how to use it and which parts fits best together may often still an open question. For example, even if you come as a new user to machine vision applications, you're not deep into it, you're pretty new, there are still open questions. And that's the next step we offer. We try, or we share, the knowledge we have with you. One example, maybe for a lot of people, this is the first channel. We have a knowledge base on our website with a lot of use cases, tech tips, program examples, and more information, white papers, articles, which gives you, for example, a first idea, first glance to implement your application, or on top, it gives you a first inspiration, what you could solve with machine vision. So give it a try, have a look there. Beginning of this year, we started our IDS Vision channel, and there we offer in regular manner news about IDS products, but also basic information about machine vision and what's coming up and what's going on in the machine vision world. Let's have a look there. Even if you miss a session, we have a on-demand library, our media library, where all the sessions you can watch on demand and get a glance what kind of information we share there and learn about IDS products. Yeah, all the topics for sure aiming to help to solve your issue, your applications. And yeah, as told before, we also put a focus on inspiration, because it's not all that, or often it's not really the idea there, how to solve a machine vision issue. Just we try to focus to give you an idea how it is feasible. And the next time when you do not know how to build up an application, just have a look at our knowledge page or our IDS Vision channel and get an inspiration there. So maybe now you're inspired, but all this still not helps. Here in Obersum, we have a team of engineers, and also in our subsidiaries, a team of engineers which are able to support you in your machine vision issue. So also coming back to the grocery store idea, when I go to my favorite grocery store, I have all the time counterparts which I can ask, hey, you know, which flavor fits best to those noodles I bought, or to those meat, or to those vegetables, and they give me an idea. They help me. They still do not cook the meal, and they do not give me a ready-to-run solution, but they give me ideas. And similar here, is it our support team. You have a single point of contact with ideas, either our sales team or our support team, and you do not think whom you have to call IDS, and you will get an answer for specific questions about a camera, about accessories, or just call the support for advice. Due to the fact that we have everything here on the campus, we have short ways, and we have the possibilities that we just jump to the engineers and get direct into the information. And even we try to lead our suppliers close around us. So for the same reason, if there's an issue, we can handle them personally and directly. For you as a user of IDS products, this means we can and try to handle your request as quickly as possible. Doesn't matter if a simple question, a support request, or even custom built camera. Just give us a call and we are just running to solve your issue. Up to providing you a short part of sample code, which may not be ready for a product solution, but it may help you to develop your own solution. The only thing a grocery store normally does not do is cooking your meal. Also, we as IDS, we cannot deliver directly a turnkey solution. But if you have the issue to get a turnkey solution because you're not able to build your own solution, just contact us also. We know the right people who can deliver turnkey solutions. Therefore, we introduced the IDS Solution Partner Network. Find more on our webpage. And we can recommend your partner in the topic, in the issue you have. We qualify our partner. They have to fulfill some trainings and specifications, so that we always have the right partner on hand. Doesn't matter if we talk about medical, robotics, or automotive automation. And as told before, we like to have everything close together because then we have short ways. We also try to focus and attach eye to the importance that the partners are locally near to you. As told before, we like short ways. We know the value of short ways. And so if you need a turnkey solution, also call us. We can help you there. The IDS Solution Partner is not everything. We have also introduced, beginning this year, Vision Peer, a marketplace where several companies are offering their turnkey solutions. Like other marketplaces, you can directly go there and buy a solution, or at least come into contact with a solution partner there, a solution provider. At the moment, solutions there are mostly out of the AI field. So if you're interested to solve issues, to solve your topic with AI, come in, join, and have a look, and also here get an inspiration how to solve your issues. All the partners there are providing turnkey solution, but they're also open to define or to bring on a special solution for your needs. So let's summary this session. The IDS one-stop shop. With IDS as a supplier, you have a company as partner which covers all the belongings for your machine vision requirements. From buying a simple camera up to helping you to solve a turnkey solution together with our partners from Vision Peer or the IDS Solution Partner Network. So give us a call if you have a topic in machine vision, and we will try to answer this issue and to help to solve your application. If there are questions, I would say we have some minutes. Now is the time. just jump in and ask a question.
So thanks, Patrick. I'm looking and we have some questions already. It seems like EDS is turning into a turnkey solution provider. Why did you not take this step, or when will you take this step?
I think we will not take the step in the last point as to be a turnkey solution, because we are focusing on developing cameras and providing their ecosystem. And these are totally different skills than a turnkey solution provider has to have. So we try to bring solutions to the turnkey providers that they have the right tools on hand. But if we would be a turnkey solution provider, we had to know skills in robotics, in automation, and much deeper than we need as a general supplier. So let's say for today, I would say it's not our aim to be a turnkey solution provider.
Okay, and you talk about accessories. You talked about budget-friendly and high-end components. Why high-end? Why not always use budget-friendly?
Because for sure there are differences. Let's do a small example. When you use a board level XLE camera from IDS in application, and the camera has to transmit an image time by time, so it's not necessary really to use a high-end cable. For example, as instead, if you have a fast-running solution where you need long cable length and really transmit images in a fast way, you have a totally different specification on the accessories. So both is there, and that's what I told before. A budget-friendly cable for sure has another specification than a high-end cable, but they will still work inside the specification as you need it.